Hello little minions, it's me, Beau. Today I am coming to you with an unboxing of Shockz, formerly known as Aftershocks. These are my wife's absolutely favorite bone conduction headphones, to the point where she actually got me a pair of these myself. And what's so unique about these is they're waterproof. And so I'm gonna be training for a half Ironman coming up, which is, you gotta swim for a little over a mile or so. And when you're doing that day after day after day, you get a little bored unless you have some headphones in. Now the beautiful thing about these oh, look at that. Oh, that's just nice. The beautiful thing about these bone conduction headphones is that they still allow you to sort of listen around you because they're not actually going inside your ear, if that makes sense. And so these are very, very handy when I'm out running on a trail or even cycling on the road, because I can still hear traffic around me if I have these on at a manageable volume. And so these slip right over like so. Typically I do wear glasses, and yes, they do fit with glasses, and they even fit with my fuzzy little sideburns. Man, they're comfortable. You just, look, it doesn't get in the way of your actual ears, so I can still hear. Like if you rub your fingers together like this, that's how some doctors kind of do an informal way of testing your hearing, is doing this. And they usually do it on either side of your ears, and they don't get in the way at all from hearing my fingertips rubbing together. Amazing. All right, so as promised, this is an unboxing, so I will show you the rest of this here. And it's very Apple style boxing. You can tell that they like their white boxes and layers, you know what I mean? And of course they have a little card in the bottom, a warranty card. Okay, that's interesting. But I'm so excited to actually be using these in the water because they're typical Shockz headphones. You can't do that. And I have actually tried the cheaper style headphones that actually go in your ears, or like earbuds. They're always falling out. And wow, what a nice case. That's a beautiful travel case. It's kind of like this rubberized, yeah, it's rubber. That's so interesting. Oh man, that is cool. Hey, look at that. There we go. Okay, I was wondering if that was actually going to show up with it. You got a manual, and of course you have the actual charger. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what kind of charging port this is. I was curious. Oh, it's just a standard USB. How interesting. And then you have an unnecessary plastic thing over that. Okay, that'll go in the landfill. What a nice experience that was. And how does this open up? So it should, oh, it feels like it kind of pops open like this. So you kind of push this little button down like this, and then it opens up kind of like a clam. Oh, that's nice. And so in order to charge this thing, can you see the little copper pins right there? There's 4 of them. Those must align with those copper pins right there. So if I kind of put it on like so, it should be able to, oh, wait, let's actually flip it over like that. There we go. And then that goes in right like so. Man, that's easy. Now, if you're wondering what these are that also come with the package, they are earplugs and a little nose pinch piece. That's a nice little pickle. That's just cool. Let's actually test that here. Oh boy, that is tight. Wow. You typically see these things on like kayakers because they're always smashing their head into the water. So, well, that's awfully uncomfortable. Yeah, I'm probably not going to be using that, but certainly effective in keeping the water out of your nose. And then we've got these little silicone earplugs that kind of go in like so. Oh, that's soft. That's nice. Wow. So I guess the point of that is to really block out your ears so that you don't get any environmental extraneous noise around you, so you can really just focus on the actual bone conduction headphones like this. So I did notice that when you put earplugs in and then you put the bone conduction headphones on, there's a bit more of a bass feel. It's more thumping, and if you prefer that, you're certainly welcome to, but for my particular use, that's why I get bone conduction headphones, so that I can have my ears open and I can hear a bear or a cougar or a dog chasing me as I'm out on my run. And the last thing I remember is not it biting me, but rather, oh, I can hear it because I can hear the noise. I can hear cars honking, and it's not just blocked out by something inside my ears. So this is an absolutely brilliant invention. It's the best In my humble opinion, it is the best bone conduction headphone that I so far have tested, and I tested about 3 or 4 of the top ones out there. And my wife said she's tried these, and she's like, "Beau, you gotta try these." And it's just an easy interface, and now I'm just excited to actually have a waterproof version. So that's it. Hope this helps.